Hi, I wanted to write a post about the watch face I designed for my watch, but it seems that I have a lot of things to say about it, and I was thinking that actually to make a video to explain more in details what I wanted to say about that, because it's much easier for me in this way. So, first of all, let me tell you the situation and how this watch faces come to be. First of all, this is Garmin Tactics 7 watch. Yeah, it's a little bit more expensive watch, but it's very useful. And also, these watches are used in general for people with which are making extreme sports or are in military or law enforcement forces. In military, not so much, because if you are an officer, you are not allowed to come with this watch in some environments because of the communications. They have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, microphones, and things like that. So even if this is used for people with very high dynamics, um, I did quite quite some sports before, but right now I cannot do that anymore because of some health issues. So this watch it's actually used in the day by day life, and also is very important to tell you that I am a mechanical design engineer and I am a contractor. So I go in different countries in Europe for the jobs for 6 months or 1 year or something like that, and you will see that this is influencing what exactly what it's on this face, this situation here. So this watch face normally it was done for Samsung watch about 7 or 8 years ago. So the dials with the hour, minutes, and things like that, which are looking like they are glow in the dark because of the color, and the indicators for hours, minutes, and seconds are done in a 3D CAD, and after that transferred in a Photoshop. At that time, I had the Photoshop license, and they are transformed to the correct size and a little bit polished as the images. Yeah. Right now, I discover a web page where actually you can put your own designs, the dials, for example, the indicators for the time and so on, and make your own watch face. Just to let you know that this watch face is actually not on the Connect IQ shop. I designed few watch faces for Samsung. I put them up for everyone. It was a lot of trouble. I had to argue with the technical staff from India a lot of times, and after that, even if the watch faces they did have some sales, never receive any money from Samsung. So that's why I actually don't put these watch faces for public anymore. This is just designed for myself. Yeah, so why I designed it like this? So obviously the indicator and the dial and the indicators are done for looking nice purposes, but there are a few things that are specific for my needs. For example, the date. It's also have the week number underneath. That it's actually done with a purpose. As I told you, I am a contractor, and when I am on the job, I usually fill out timesheets every week, and on that timesheets I have to put the week number, yeah, for numeration, and that way I have the week number also put here. And normally the date it's on the right side, but it's on the left side because usually when I'm watching what date it is and what week number it is. Actually, it's in office hours between 9 and 5, and that in that time the hour indicator it's on this side of the dial. Yeah, on this side here on the dial. So that's why the date and the week number is put on the side of the dial, which is less occupied during the office hour. Yeah, so you'll have less chances to be covered the date by the hourly indicator. Also in here we have the battery life. Yeah, normal for a watch like this. Usually I charge it every week, so it can stay 10 or 11 days on a single charge. But usually when I do the shower in a Saturday morning, I take it off from my wrist. I take it off all the times when I go to the shower. But the shower from Saturday morning, I actually put it to charge and leave it there until it's charging completely. And after that, for a week, I know for sure that I don't have any need to recharge it. Now, another indicator. These are the indicators for environment around me. And I will explain first. Let me explain you why I don't put any biological markers here. So I don't have heart rate. I don't have how many steps I walk. I don't have any blood oxygen indicators, anything like that, because I had a problem. I had a video meeting at once, and somebody see my watch through the camera, and she told me that I'm lying on my presentation because she's seen the heart rate monitor graphic here, and she told me that when I was presenting the heart rate, it was increasing. It wasn't true because, to be honest, that heart rate indicator graphic, it was for the last 4 hours, so she could not see that my rate increased when I was presenting, but she wanted a little bit attention on that meeting, even if she wasn't relevant for that meeting because she was HR. Yeah, but that's why I don't put any biological markers on my watch, because somebody might look at that watch and draw some conclusions. Usually that conclusions are wrong, but yeah, I try to avoid putting the biological markers on it. What I actually put is there are a few things that will allow me to know things around my environment. Yeah. So first of all is the temperature outside. Temperature outside will allow me, because I work in the office environments where you have in winter heating and in the summer you have the AC. You actually don't have a clear idea what is going outside, and when you try to go out of your office, the temperature that is showing me here and the weather conditions will allow me to not be surprised when I get outside. Yeah, so in this way, maybe sometimes if I have it on my phone, I will not pay attention, but on this, when I watch, if it's the time to get out of the office, to go home or go to a meeting or something like that, I actually can see also the weather conditions. Normally, when you put the weather, the temperature on this side, you'll have a thermometer. I actually try to put the field, how is feel like the temperature, and the icon should show the current conditions. I think the icon doesn't work for the moment. I still need to have a look around. Another indicators are the time of the sunset on my current location. and the moon phase. Why I need this? Normally I don't use this too much. Yeah, I might need to have an idea when it's getting dark, so when I get home or something like that, I will know that I will drive outside of the daylight. But actually these markers are something that I put in on my watches because I actually was used with that on my days when I was doing hiking almost every day or at least 3 times a week. And I need this to know how much daylight I have left until I have to find shelter or something like that. And also if I still have to travel in the dark, to know what is the moon phase, so I will know if it's not cloudy, if I will have any natural light coming from the moon or not. Usually when I have a full moon, it was enough for me to actually hike through no forest, for example. Yeah, so this is an indicator that usually I put because of my hiking days. So this is the watch face. It's a simple one, it doesn't have too many things on it. It's made to look nice also, and it's a few things that it's actually serving my day-to-day life. As you saw, I am curious what complication you like to have on your watch face, or you already have, and why. Because for me, the practical aspect of this is more important. Yeah, face watch is nice to look nice. Yeah, but for me it's more important how it will serve you from the practical sense of you. So let me know in the comments what are the practical things that you have on your watch face, or you want to have on your watch face. And also let me give me a comment to tell me if you like the watch face I done for myself. I will probably put in the link in the description or in the first comment the link for the website which is allow you to make your own watch faces. But remember that the dials and the hourly indicators and minutes and second indicators, they're actually done by myself. Yeah, so you have to choose something else what is there, and maybe you'll do your own watch face if you have a Garmin watch. I hope you like this video. Please support this video with a like, or support the channel with a subscription. And until next time, may the tool be with you. Bye.